Hey, good afternoon, guys. I'm staying inside a 2022 Cougar 24 RDS. This is one of Cougar half tons lighter weight fifth wheels. I just love all of their lighter weight fifth wheels. They're great for smaller families or couples, maybe grandparents. I just love the way that they're all laid out. This 24 RDS actually comes in weighing just under 7,500 pounds. So there's a lot of vehicles that are able to tow this, and has a tip-to-tip length of 28 feet 11 inches. This is a rear dinette floor plan, so you have this huge U-shaped dinette, great for entertaining, card games, family dinners, things like that. But it also converts into a sleeping space for those grandkids or friends or kids in general who want to come stay with you. But I just love how the table, it is actually removable, so you can take this outside if you want. It's not mounted to anything. Plus, you can see lots of people here. Both sides have power outlets and USB ports, so you can charge your electronics while you are relaxing. And then you have a few cabinet storage compartments there above with lots of windows too. And even the speakers are just above, so with the TV being on or listening to music, you can still be able to hear everything when you're just sitting right here. And then turning around to the rest of the entertaining space of the camper, theater reclining seats located in your slide out, very comfortable plush. You have you have cup holders, remote control storage, and each side also has heating, massage, accent lights, plus a USB port built in, which is pretty cool. And then also located in your slide out, stainless steel refrigerator. It's a really good size. Pantry space, and it goes all the way back. Same thing down below. And as far as flooring goes, this is not carpet. It's like an outdoor rug material, so you can sweep up pet hair or spills, wipe those up really easily. Across the way from your theater seats, you have your connected TV/kitchen area. So swivel TV, you can pull this out and be able to watch it from your booth dinette if you want. Countertop space here down below, and then you have a all electric fireplace with 3 flame settings, so you can change the color of those. But with your campsite electricity, you can be able to heat up most of your camper through the fireplace, which is pretty cool. No propane. Furrion Bluetooth speaker system, you can put your Blu-rays and DVDs, all that fun stuff in here. Listen to the radio, connect your phone to play your own music that way. USB port next to that. And then coming into more of the kitchen. Drawer space here to the right. 3-burner stove top with a glass cover. And of course your oven down below. More storage below your sink. 50-50 split stainless steel sink with a spray faucet. Power outlet is there in the corner for smaller appliances. And I think there is another power outlet right here, so you can plug something else in. Range hood, microwave, more cabinet storage. I like that these ones have glass on the front, so it kind of mixes things up from your wood paneling on the rest of your cabinets. Leading up the steps into the bathroom, you have a full residential size sit-down shower. Great for relaxing. There's even a skylight above with lots of natural light coming in. And then, of course, your vent fan. Storage running along next to that. Porcelain foot flush toilet. Barn style sliding door, so the entrance into your bathroom is not swinging out into the hallway space. And then you got your sink. More storage below, power, and medicine cabinet. And then finally on the inside, you have your master bedroom. Queen size bed. You can lift it up for the extra storage. I really like the corner end tables. Kind of has like a raised up shelf on it, but then you also have your regular nightstand on each side with some storage down below, so you can put your snacks and stuff in there. Power outlets and USB ports are on both sides. Closet storage space with a couple cabinets in between. Huge window that does open up. Spot for TVs at the foot of your bed, and then you are prepped for a second AC in the master bedroom. And then finally, a wardrobe slide. So, clothes rack extends all the way across. You just have 3 entrances into there, plus some drawer storage space. So, Let me show you the outside real quick and then we will be done. So coming here to the outside, you have your Road Armor pin box with the hitch vision above. So this is great for lining up your tow vehicle with your pin box. Accent lights on your front cap, and you can leave those on while you are in transit. Spot for a battery here down below, plus some additional storage. 2 propane tanks, one on this side, one on the other. And then let me open this up for you guys. Some pass-through storage space. You can fit additional camping gear in here, or a TV if you want. You have your satellite and cable hookup. Access to your water heater. And then trying to step back, you have a full powered awning to relax underneath. It has white LED light accents. Plus you have your outside speakers that I was telling you about. Solid steps leading up into your coach. The top step is a little bit wider or longer, I guess, whichever way is this way, a little bit longer so you're not tripping and falling all over the place. Oversized grab handle, and since this is a 2022 Keystone model, it does feature a solar panel on it. A rear ladder for maintenance purposes, and then you are pre-wired for a backup camera. 2 slide outs on your non-camping side. And then I'll show you the water hookups. I love how everything is located in one area. You can also use the door as like another shaded spot so you can get to what you need to, even if it's raining outside. A light so you can see what you're doing. Outside, a shower. It does have this hose that you can connect to it and be able to extend it out and use hot and cold water. Multi-source signal controller for your Key TV. This is also where you winterize, turn on your water heater bypass, city water connection, dump all of your tanks. You can open them up through here. And you can run all of your tubes through this little kind of opening. So I thought that was pretty cool. You can keep your door closed and looking nice and neat. So I love that. Electronic auto leveling as well. But there you have it, the 24 RDS. If you have any questions or concerns, feel free to let us know.